Welcome all my dear friends. In this video I am going to show you how to apply the floor load. This is the simplest way you can do it. Okay, this is one plan. This is the top view. Now you need to apply the floor load. Okay, suppose we are taking here dead load case and one live load case. Now I will tell you the simplest method. Just press Ctrl G on your keyboard. Okay, this window will there. Now name here one way. You can give any name, but don't give space or anything. Write continuously. Okay, I have written one way. Now select here floor. Okay, now here by visualization, or we know when we call the slab as one way, when one side is double or greater than 2, then it is one way. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, these are one way slab. So select this by pressing Ctrl. Okay, you have selected. This one is also one way slab. Okay, now just click on associate to selected geometry. Associate. Okay, now here you can check. Click here and click on highlight. Now it will highlight. Okay, now we will create two-way. Here select floor. Okay, now press Ctrl and select all the two-way floors in your plan. Okay, these are the two-way slabs we have selected. Now associate to selected geometry. Associate. Okay, now you can check here by clicking on highlight. Okay, this now your floor load will be assigned by very simple method. Now come to the dead load. Add floor load. Suppose we are assigning minus 3.125 kilonewton per meter square. Now select here group. Now these are the groups you have just generated, one way and two way. Now here one way means we have selected all the one way slabs. Okay, so for that there must be one way distribution. So click here one way and just click on add. Your floor load, one way floor load has been assigned. Now click on two way. Now remove this one way distribution. Okay, now just click on the add. Close. Your floor load has been assigned. This is the simplest method you can do it. Now you can check one way. Okay, these are the one way, and here you can see these are the two way. This is the most simplest method. You can check here. For one way slab the load is on other beams. Now here similarly for live load you can do it. Floor load, whatever your flow minus 4 live load is there. Click on group. For one way click on one way distribution. Click on add. For two way remove this one way distribution. Here in two way we have selected all the two way slabs. Now click on add. Close. Now here you can check we have given the loading has been assigned as per one way and two way. This is the most simple way you can do it, the floor loading in the StatPro. Okay, this is for the video. Please subscribe the Real Civil YouTube channel. Thank you.